Hey everyone, it's the Automation Mentor here. So Make can automate the everyday, linking your apps, handling repetitive tasks, saving you time. But what if I told you that's just scratching the surface? Beyond the basic workflows lies a world of powerful, creative automations and some truly game-changing features many users never discover. Today, we're diving deep into Make to uncover some innovative use cases and hidden gems that can elevate your automation game from simple to truly transformative. Let's start with personal productivity. Sure, you can schedule social media posts, but imagine crafting a system that not only posts for you but also intelligently curates content based on trending topics in your niche, then personalizes it using AI and even tracks engagement to tell you what really resonates, all while you're focused elsewhere. Or how about an intelligent email assistant that categorizes incoming mail, drafts replies for common queries, and even manages your follow-up schedule based on email content? This is about creating a truly responsive and smart personal assistant, all within Make. Now let's scale that power to your team. Think beyond shared task lists. Imagine automatically routing new client information from a CRM to specific Slack channels, creating project folders in your cloud storage, assigning initial tasks in your project management tool, and sending a personalized welcome email, all triggered from one single event. Or picture a system that compiles daily progress updates from various team members across different apps and generates a consolidated report for managers every morning. This isn't just automation. It's about building seamless, intelligent collaboration backbones for your entire organization. And it doesn't stop at digital. Make can be your bridge to the Internet of Things. Imagine your smart office adjusting lights or temperature based on your Google Calendar schedule. Or, for a business, picture inventory levels from smart shelves automatically updating your e-commerce store and notifying your procurement team when stock is low. You could even connect sensor data from industrial equipment to a monitoring dashboard and trigger alerts for maintenance. Make can orchestrate actions between your online world and your physical environment in truly innovative ways. Alright, let's shift gears to some hidden gems, those powerful features that can make your automations incredibly robust. You've probably used basic error handling, but Make allows for much more sophisticated strategies. You can design custom error routes that attempt to self-correct issues, like returning a failed API call with a delay or sending specific, detailed notifications to different team members based on the type of error. This means less manual intervention and automations that run smoothly, even when the unexpected happens. Ever needed to store information temporarily during a complex scenario, or even create a simple database without an external tool? Make's data structures and data stores are your answer. You can create custom data structures to organize information precisely how you need it, and then use data stores to save and retrieve this information across different scenario runs or even between different scenarios. Think of it as giving your automations their own short-term or long-term memory, perfect for counters, managing states, or storing lookup tables. You're likely familiar with basic conditional logic, but routers and advanced filters in Make offer surgical precision over your scenario's flow. Routers can split your workflow into multiple branches, each with its own complex logic, processing data in parallel or sequentially based on intricate conditions. Combine this with sophisticated filtering, and you can ensure that only the exact right data goes to the exact right place, every single time, handling multiple outcomes from a single trigger with ease. Dealing with unstructured text makes text parser module, especially when combined with the power of regular expressions, is a true hidden gem. You can extract specific pieces of information from emails, documents, or any text block. Think invoice numbers, contact details, or specific keywords. This allows you to take messy, inconsistent text data and turn it into structured, usable information for your automations, opening up a vast range of possibilities. This one is for the power users. Make itself has an API. What does that mean? You can programmatically manage your scenarios, start them, stop them, get information about their execution, or even update them from external applications or scripts. Imagine building a custom dashboard to control your Make automations, or integrating Make scenario management into your own internal tools. It's about taking automation to a meta level. Do you find yourself rebuilding the same set of steps in multiple scenarios? Make allows you to create callable scenarios. Think of these as reusable templates or functions. You build a specific piece of logic once, say, a complex address validation process, and then you can simply call it from any other scenario whenever you need it, passing data in and getting results back. This not only saves massive amounts of time, but also makes your automations cleaner, more manageable, and easier to update. Finally, let's talk about handling collections of data. Iterators allow you to process each item in an array, like line items in an order or multiple attachments in an email one by one. Aggregators, on the other hand, do the opposite. They can take multiple individual pieces of data and combine them into a single structure, like generating a summary report from individual daily entries. Mastering these tools allows you to handle complex data sets and perform sophisticated data transformations with ease. So that's a glimpse into the deeper magic of Make. From supercharging your personal productivity and team collaboration to connecting with the Internet of Things and leveraging those powerful hidden gems like advanced error handling, data stores, and callable scenarios, we've seen how you can truly elevate your workflows beyond simple automation. If you found these tips and use cases valuable, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. It really helps the channel.